Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable the reading pane in Gmail on your PC. By following a few simple steps, you can have a convenient preview of your emails without having to open them individually. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the Settings icon. It looks like a gear. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, click on Inbox, located at the top. Step 5. Next to Reading Pane, you will see a checkbox. Enable it by clicking on the checkbox. By enabling the Reading Pane, you can conveniently preview the content of your emails without the need to open each one individually. This feature can save you time and make your email management more efficient. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your Gmail experience.